Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air 2 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix the issue that only one earbud is working. At first open the case and check if there is some dust over here and over here. If there isn't, check if your earbud is charging. To do so, place them in your case, wait a moment, and after some time check in your application if it's detectable over here. If it's not, you just have to do a soft reset. To do a soft reset you have to place them in the case, wait a moment, and then remove them from the case. If it doesn't work for you, you have to do a hard reset. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!